For sample exercise 10, we're asked to perform a variety of calculations for acetic acid here. So let's take a look at what we're asked to do first. So first we're given the task of calculating the molar mass for acetic acid. So we're given the chemical formula here. So we know that we have 2 carbons. We have 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygens. So we just need to multiply by each of the individual atomic masses. So 2 times 12, then we have 4 times 1.01 and 2 times 16. So if we added all of these products up, we would see the molar mass of acetic acid is about 60.06 rather, grams per mole. So now that we have the molar mass, we can use this as a conversion factor in part B here when we're asked how many moles do we have in a 100-gram sample. So we start with the amount that we're given, the measured value, 100.0 grams of acetic. And then we know from our calculation above that for every 1 mole of acetic acid, we have 60.06 grams. And we'll divide by 60, right? And the grams, the mass will cancel out. And we'll see that we have about 1.665 moles of acetic acid. And I was able to retain all 4 sig figs throughout my calculation there. So how many molecules do I have of acetic acid now? This is part C. And I'm going to take what I just calculated, the 1.665 moles of acetic. And I want to know how many molecules. Well, I know that in 1 mole, I have Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. So I'm going to multiply 1.665 by Avogadro's number, and that will give me 1.003. Again, we can retain 4 significant figures times 10 to the 24th molecules. So these are acetic acid molecules now. And then in part D, we're going to go from molecules to carbon atoms. So we're going to use the molecular formula again to help us. And if you look back up, you'll see that there are 2 carbon atoms. So 2 carbon atoms per molecule. So that's our last conversion factor that we need. So we're down to 1.003 times 10 to the 24th molecules times 2 carbon atoms per every 1 molecule. So we just really multiply this by 2, and we see that there will be 2.006 times 10 to the 24th, and our unit will be carbon atoms.